Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, southwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time, or 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 10:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Kingsford Heights and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Walkerton around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Liberty around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lakeville around 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Gulliver Park around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include South Center, Salem Heights, Stillwell, Fish Lake, Crumstown, Tea Garden, and La Paz. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, and St. Joseph.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend and KZZ36 in North Webster. Visit our website viaweather.gov/WX.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch.